What's mean by the states of water? It's mean the type of water or the shapes that I can find the water in it. Okay, the water I can find it in 3 states. What are these 3 states? It may be liquid, like the water that we drink, it's liquid. Solid, like the ice. And gas, like the water vapor. So, the water can be found in 3 states, or I can find it in 3 forms. It may be liquid, again like the water that we drink, solid like the ice, and gas like the water vapor. Okay, so we can find the water in a liquid form, like what? Like that we found it in the rivers or the oceans, or the sea or the lakes, as we said it before. So, where we can find the water in a liquid form? We can find it in the rivers, in the oceans, in the lakes, and in the river, and even the rains. All of them are water in a liquid form or in a liquid state. For the water in the solid state or solid form, we can find it in what? In the ice or the snow. So, ice and snow are the water in the solid form. Okay. So, then we have the steam is the water in the gaseous state. When you put a boiler and made a heating for the water, you found that the steam is coming out of the boiler. So the steam, or we call it water vapor, is what is the water in the gaseous state. So again, we have 3 forms or 3 states for the water, which are what? Liquid, solid, gas. Again, liquid, solid, gas. Liquid like what? We said liquid like the water that's coming from the river, or that are found in the oceans, in the sea, or in the lakes, and even the rains. All of them are water in the liquid state. Solid form like what? Solid form like the ice and the snow. Gaseous state like what? It's like the steam, or we call it water vapor. As you see here in the picture, we're having the boiler. What coming out from the boiler? Yes, this is the steam or the water vapor. And this is the water in which state? Yes, this is the water in the gaseous state or gas state. The water in the gas state is like the steam. And here the water that's coming from the tap is in which form? Or in which state? Yes, it's in the liquid state. So the water that's coming from the tap is in the liquid state. Then we have a picture for the ice and the snow. And both of them are what? Are water in the solid state. So, as we said before, we can find the water in 3 states, which are ice as a solid, water as a liquid, and steam as a gas. If I'm having water, a bottle of water, and I want to change it to be ice, what I will do for this water? I will cool it or heat it? Excellent, I will cool it. So, the water to be changed into ice, so I will make a cooling. Okay? And the water change to ice at a temperature of 0 Celsius. So, if the temperature is very cold, is 0 Celsius, so the water will change to be ice. But if I'm having the water and I want to change it to steam or water vapor, what I will do? I will cool it or heat it? Very good. I will put it on the fire to heat it. So the water will change to water vapor or to steam By what? By heating. And the temperature must be very hot. It must be equal to 100 Celsius. It's a very hot temperature. So again, the water, I can change it to ice by cooling. At what? At 0 Celsius. And I can change it into water vapor or steam by heating at what? At 100 Celsius. Okay. Most of the water is around us as that we use it is in the what? Is in the liquid form. The water that we drink daily, it's what? It's in the liquid form. And when the water gets very cold, or when we need cooling, as we said before, so it will become ice. Okay, so again, the water is found in 3 states or 3 forms, which are what? Which are liquid or solid or gas. Liquid like the water found in the rivers, oceans, sea, lakes, and rains. Solid like the ice and snow. Gas is like the steam or the water vapor.